Autodesk Vault 2019.1 continues to improve the user experience from within Inventor and AutoCAD directly in response to your feedback through the Autodesk community. The Vault plugin for AutoCAD now supports 2D PDF underlay. 2D PDFs can be attached from Vault directly from within AutoCAD. When attaching a PDF file to an AutoCAD drawing, choose Attach from Vault and filter for PDF. And when checking an AutoCAD DWG into Vault that references a 2D PDF, Vault will automatically check the PDF in right alongside the DWG. Inside Inventor, replacing components with alternatives that are stored inside the Vault has been streamlined with a new Replace from Vault option. Right-click on a component and choose Vault, Replace from Vault, or Replace all from Vault to open, search, and replace directly from Vault. A new command has been added to open drawings of components that are saved in Vault. You'll find the new Open Drawing from Vault command in the Model Browser, Vault Browser, and in the In-Canvas menu. When a component is referenced in more than one drawing, a dialog will open to help you find the drawing you're looking for. Autodesk Vault 2019.1 continues to build on your feedback from the Autodesk Idea Station, forums, and beta community with these usability improvements.